Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome students for our next lecture which is on articles. Basically we have three articles: a, an, and the third is the. So in this lecture we will study the use of two articles a and an. How many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters from A to Z, and you have already studied that these 26 letters have been divided into vowels, which are 5: A, E, I, O, and U, and consonants, which are other letters, for example B, C, D up to Z. So with the vowels we use with the vowels with the those words which start with the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U, we use an. For example, we have elephant. Elephant starts with sound E, so we use an over here. But L is a consonant sound from consonant group, so the word which starts with L sound, we use A with it and not an. I think you have understood my point. Whenever any word starts with a consonant sound, we use A. If it starts with a vowel sound, we use an. So we'll switch over to the next page where we have to do some exercises. Question says look. Look means to see. At the pictures, and write a or an before the given nouns. All these nouns are here. One more thing, the articles are only used with nouns. We use a, an, or the with nouns only when we are using it as an article. So this is a bat. Bat starts with sound B sound. So we write here A. I is a vowel sound. Ink pot, ink, ink pot, ink pot. So we use here an. Again we have bus. B sound is here, so we write A. Kite sound is here, so we write here A. Cat, C sound here, so A. Ant, A sound here, vowel, so, an. Owl, O sound, an. Igloo, I, an. The next question is again, fill in the blanks with A or an. B is book, so we write A. Umbrella, U, an. Egg, vowel sound, an. Apple, vowel sound, an. Rat, consonant sound, A. Arrow, vowel sound, an. Fan, F, consonant sound, A. Umpire, an. Monitor, A. Otter, an. Balloon, A. Octopus, an. Ostrich, an. Banana, A. Cake, A. Engineer, an. So with this we finish our today's lecture. So finish this on your book as well as on your notebook, and then We have story writing, and after story writing we have test, so you will be having test as well, and when you will come back to school your notebooks and book will be checked as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.